So we have Mike in from, what part of North Carolina are you from, Mike?
Just outside of Wilmington, North Carolina.
Outside of Wilmington. And you attended this weekend's Details Are Certified Detailer Private License Training Program. What'd you think of the training? You've been here since Friday.
Yes.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What'd you think of the training?
Training was fantastic.
Thank you.
The business day was great. Been in my own business before, but to have it outlined the way it was outlined in simple format and the books you gave us, and that was fantastic. And then the hands-on, I've never detailed a car like this before, so it was an amazing amount of information and really learned a lot. The trainers were fantastic.
They did, yeah. You did a great job, and so did the trainers. So you're going to start your own mobile detailing business.
Yes, that is the goal.
Excellent. And that area of the country that you're in is excellent for detailing.
It is excellent. Has a little warmer weather than here in the Pittsburgh area.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry it was so cold.
No.
And this is the vehicle that you worked on this weekend, this Jeep Grand Cherokee. I mean, probably increased the value by about $5,000.
Day and night.
Amazing. Yeah, it's ceramic coated. The interior's cleaned and detailed. Did some coating on the interior too.
Yes.
This is excellent. So is this worth a 5-star review?
Absolutely worth a 5-star review. Highly recommend
Excellent.
anybody, even if you're in the business already or if you're just starting out. Highly, highly recommend it.
Thank you so much. Michael, you are now Detail Czar and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Thank you very much. You did an excellent job. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time to help me out.
Thank you so much. I'm always there for you, brother.
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
Thanks.